Welcome to Cici Auto Company, which is headquartered in Wuxi City. We are specialized in packing production industry more than 15 years.
We customize complete and offline packing solutions for thousands of customers, having gained a wide range of industry reputation. You can see the powerful component suppliers. The 80% parts of our products are provided by world-famous suppliers. We already got a lot of C certificates and patents.
Now we are in the workshop, then I will show you guys about our packing line center. Here is machine debugging area. All of machines will pass the test with product samples from customer before delivery, so as to be recognized as fit for use by customers.
Erector makes foreign trading easier.